Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a different paper board. For making the paper board, we need a rectangle paper. First, fold it into half. Open it and bring this edge to the middle. Do the same on the other side also. Then bring this edge to the midline. Do the same on the opposite side also. Then bring this edge to this line. Do the same on the other side also. Turn it and do the same. Then bring this edge to this line. Do the same on the other side also. Now you can see an opening at the middle. So let's open the board. So now is the tricky part. We have to turn the board and get this side out and this inside. So let's turn it. Now our paper boat is ready. So please try making it and let me know it in the comments.